my honor to call our beloved Mayor for his regular weekly message. Salamat po sa pakikinig.
Thank you, Eman. Palakpakan natin ang CPDO. Yung araw po, bago ko bumalik, yung opisina na yan, maraming umiyak na tao dyan. Pinaiyak ko ng mga dating mga liderato dyan. Dala ng, I think yung window ninyo may butas lang. Doon lang nagkatransaksyon sa butas. Kaya nagkabutas-butas ang buhay ng mga negosyante sa Maynila. Ngayon open policy. Ang ordinaryong nag-a-apply sa city planning can go inside the office. Am I right, Eman? Keep it up to the fellow civil servant. Thank you very much sa inyo. There is always what you call second chance to each and everyone. Ipagbuti ninyo sapagkat nakasalalay sa opisina ninyo ang patuloy na pagunlad ng ating lungsod. Palakpakan natin ang CPDO. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
It may not be a good morning for the city of Manila today. It's a very challenging week ahead of us with our fellow Manileños affected by the fire happened the other day. There is about 2,134 as we speak na namumroblema ngayon kung paano sila makaka-recover agad. But again, in our own little way, tulad ng lagi ko sinasabi, gagawa natin ng paraan. Hopefully, within the day, we can bring some good news to our fellow Manileños, to every family victim of that fire. But I would like to give credit where it's due to our MDSW. Palakpakan natin yung ating mga taga-MDSW. Since the first hour, nandoon na sila at yung mga kusinero natin, kusinera, tagapaghatid ng pagkain ay hindi pa ako natutulog since the other day. But then again, may awa ang Diyos, makakaraos din tayo. That is the bad news for the city of Manila today and in the coming days. But sabi nga, after the rain, there is a rainbow. May awa ang Diyos, makakaraos din tayo. That is the bad news. If there is bad news, there is good news. The good news is students of Manila continue to inspire us na mga batang Maynila ay magagaling. Magagaling sa kanya-kanyang field of undertaking. Here, present today is top-notchers in their chosen field. Would like to recognize them and at least you give them warm and inspiring applause to each and every name that I'm going to mention. Nandito po ang mga top-notchers ng Carl Balita Review Center na nag-aral sa lungsod ng Maynila. Apolinario Joanna Luis Launico, PLM. Aligayo rito.
Ayun, tinawag.
Fifth placer, General Science, 94.2%. Ignacio Giancarlo Manya, PLM. Sixth placer, General Science, 94%.
Tinawag lang yan, wala na yung
Ikaw, ilang percent ka? Ha? 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 50-50? Buti mabait yung teacher. Comatose.
Ano ba yan? Wala yung
Buti pa yung teacher ko mabait. Sinitetize ko. Pasangawa. Sagisa Maria Rupili May Santolan. PNU. 10th placer, CAED. 93.2%. Escala Abigail Dijumo. PNU. 4th placer, CAED. 94.4%. Torsar Krishna Linam, PNU, 9th placer, General Science, 93.4%. Lacson Mary Joy J, PUP, Santa Mesa, 10th placer, ECE, 92.8%. Vergara Aljon Maniago, PUP Santa Mesa, 2nd placer, General Science, 95%. Mabahen Lester John Carmona, PUP Santa Mesa, 5th placer, TLE, 94.2%.
Ayan, okay na mga pasensya na.
Wayan Maricris Guadalupe Tolibas, PUP Santa Mesa, 7th placer, General Science, 93.8%. Entiaño Gerald Camata, PUP Santa Mesa, 8th placer, Elementary, 93.2%. O sila po ay mga board passer ng Maynila at hindi lang basta board passer, top notcher. Congratulations. Palakpakan natin ang dito man lang in our own little way as your city government to recognize your effort. Those years that you dedicated to study well and excel from it, we are proud of you. Kaya kahit mag-aral kay Maigi, at tingnan ninyo, nakakatuwang isipin at maraming salamat kay Carl Balita, no, for helping our reviewers na magtagumpay sa kanilang tatahapin. Again, congratulations.
Sir, excuse sir.
And I'd like to recognize, may bago na naman tayong donation coming from Albes Commercial Incorporated through Mr. Efren Albes. Donation consists of various medical supplies totaling to 2,919,620. Si Padilla, mga taga-MHD, nakakatuwa naman. No? Thank you very much to Mr. Efren Albes, Albes Commercial Incorporated. Mabasa pa kayo ng ulan. Now, another good news. Remember, I think, si Tiad, that was happy birthday nga pala. Birthday boy. O birthday boy ng city administrator natin, baka naman. Naramdaman nyo na ba? Hindi ba? Ako rin eh. Dan dalan dan dan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Pasensya na kayo kahit happy birthday, sintonado ko. Si Jess, hindi ko maintindihan kung sintonado o hindi. Wala akong narinig eh. Happy birthday man. Ano ba? Ingat ka. Eto. Ticha. Ay, si Diad. Ay, ang hirap ng buhay. Alam mo, ang Maynila bilang siyudad, parang tao din, ano? May ups and down. Ups and down. Parang alon ng dagat. Aakyat, bababa, aakyat, bababa. A very challenging week for us. But be that as it may, as I have said, we'll do our best to give what is due for you. As you all know, that I think before the end of the year, we fulfill the request of those retirees of the City of Manila na nahirapang makolekta yung kanilang pinagtrabahuhan sa mahabang panahon sa city government at taong bayan. Bagamat noong nakaraang taon talagang tukod na tukod tayo. Ngayon, magpasa hanggang ngayon, sa bawat liko natin, parang walang katapusang pader ang nadudunggol natin. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, patuloy tayong liliko at makakahanap din tayo ng maliwalas na daan tungo sa kaunlaran ng ating mamamayan. But today, we would like to continue our commitment to our employees. We'd like to inform you that those employees who were left behind since 2016 up to June 30 of 2026. Last week, I authorized the release of what is due to our retirees. Today, we are going to deliver what is due to them, 126 of them. Kahit na gipit tayo, pero marapat lang na mapunta to sa ating mga empleyado na nakakumpleto ng papel, nakapag-clearance, and everything is all set. So, remember, we still have more to come from May, June, up to December of 2025. But at least, kahit na yung kaluma-lumaang hindi nakuha, makukuha at yung bagong retirees, makukuha agad at ma-enjoy ng kanilang pamilya, the fruits of their labor. 126 retirees will receive today yung kanilang benepisyo. At napansin ninyo, si Andres ang aga-agang pumasok. Mukhang may binabantayan siya. Ano, Andres?
Nagre-retired na ba yun?
To name a few, and just for the record, out of 126, 104 of them are present today. Now, immediately after the flag ceremony, they can get their checks available sa ating takalyera, yung ating cashier. Kunin nyo na. But nais ko lamang bigyan kayo ng inspirasyon kung magre-retire kayo. Kahit gaano kamahal pa yung retirement nyo, makukuha ninyo hanggat nandito ako sa lalong madaling panahon. First, retirees, ang ex-girlfriend ni Andres.
girlfriend niya.
Nakonsume ito kaya nag-early retirement ko. Hindi sa kanya. Kilala ko kung kanino siya nakonsume.
Ay,
Wilita Andres, 2,262,971. Saan na, Andres? Mukhang niligaw mo pa. Nandito ba lahat ng retirees? Taas nga kamay mga retirees.
tawa ni
Ayan.
si engineer.
Ang tabayanan ninyo. Oh. Oh. Thank you for your service. 37. Mukhang dalaga ka nung nakakuha. Taga, 37 years.
Tagal mo.
Next, 2,634,821 for Charito Antolin Rumbo. Paldo.
Paldo, sana all.
Maria Lourdes Tilbe, 2,915,788.
Sarap mag-retired. Pag empleyado.
Next, 3,596,839 Alfredo O. Rosales.
$3 million.
Nako, ito, kaibigan ko to. Bing! Ayun, Bing Manlulo. 3.8 million. Bing, ang laki nito.
Live
Huwag daw
tayo.
maingay, baka may nabalihan sa inyo si Bing. Love you, Bing.
Pinakamalaki, $3 million.
Tignan niya to eh.
Anting Kenya, taga Kayorme.
Next, 4 million.
Pinakamalaki.
125,603. Ernesto P. Tepase Jr. Mukhang maraming utang to. Nagsigaw, eh! Nakakasingin na kami. Totoo ba yan, Ernesto? Nah, joke lang. Mukhang marami kang ano.
Masarap yan pag walang utang, no buo.
Hindi pa yan, meron pa yan.
5 million yata pinakalat. Kung may nagsigawan doon, no?
Parang graduation, no? May diploma, kaso cheque. Paldo. Lalo na to. 4,170,000. Leonora P. Pascual. Congratulations.
Leonora. Init na, grabe.
Top notcher.
5 million.
Kilalang kilala niyo to.
Hindi naman.
Lagi ko kasama sa kalsada to. Kami nila Andres. 4,685,000. 7 pesos and 56 centavos. Engineer Josephine Sain.
Ay! Congrats!
Tan tan.
Hindi na sa akin. Retired na siya.
Sa Christmas. Big ka nanalo sa luto.
Oo, napakabait niya. Sobrang.
Nakasama ko. Ang total po na nirelease natin today is 76,118,505.67.
Galing.
Kaya po, City Treasurer, magkayak na kayo. Malaki yung gastos mamaya sa sunog. Okay, pero again, before I continue, I'd like to thank the taxpayer of the City of Manila for their continued trust. And as you know, at least alam nyo kung saan napupunta yung buwis na ibinayad ninyo sa amin. At pipilitin namin ito maging masinop at epesyenteng gastahin, pabalik sa kapakinabangan ng ating komunidad at mamamayan. Mga kapwa ko hindi pa retirado, pwede ba isang mainit na pasasalamat na palakpakan sa ating mga retirees? I hope magpakape naman kayo. Charot. I'm happy for you that I think the only thing that I can wish for now is that to live a good life and a healthy one. Malusog na retirement. And enjoy your time with your family. We know that working in government entails a lot of oras. Kailangan mo ng maraming sakripisyo. Oras, panahon, hirap at pagod. But I'm happy you got what you deserve today. It's well deserved. Kayo, mag-iingat kayo. Sinong gusto mag-retire na? Taas ang kamay. Huwag muna, kailangan ko pa kayo. Mag-iingat kayo. May awa ang Diyos. Kahit anong pagsubok tong kinakarap natin, pipilitin kong magbuti. At kailangan ko ang bawat isa sa inyo. Tulungan ninyo ko makapaglingkod ng epesyente sa ating mga kababayan. Mag-iingat kayo. I love you.
Love you yun.
Okay. Magandang umaga at pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! God first.
Hi, sir. Morning.